Hey everyone, welcome to Homes for Beginners, where I show you how to do repairs around the house yourself. In this video here, I'll be showing you how to clean your furnace. To start off, if you are uncomfortable with this in any way, I would not recommend it, and it would be best to hire a professional. This does involve working with high voltage. Furnace designs do vary. It's always a good idea to take photos along the way so you know exactly how everything goes back together. A dirty furnace can reduce airflow, cause foul odors, you'll notice a reduction in heating and cooling performance, and it may affect your energy bill. I am currently replacing the furnace in my house. The old furnace has been removed, so I'm using this one as an example. As you can see, there is no duct. When looking inside, you can see the heating coils as well as some dust and debris on the walls. First is turning off the breaker to the furnace. This is extremely important. You can try to manually turn on the furnace to ensure there is no power going to the unit. There is voltage testers also available. Once done, remove the side inspection panel. This will give you direct access to the blower motor. This furnace is an older model and fairly simple to work on. Some of the wiring will need to be disconnected in order to fully remove the blower motor. This is the easiest method for cleaning. Once the wiring is unclipped and disconnected, then feed it through the hole. We only need to disconnect the wiring for the blower motor. Remember where all the terminal connectors are located. The blower motor on this model fits into a slot and it's held into place with a couple small fasteners. Remove all those fasteners. Then take the weight off the blower motor and slide it out of its location. Careful, as this can be heavy. As you can see, this blower motor is filled with a fair amount of dust. This will cause foul odors, restrict airflow, and even reduce your heating and cooling performance. Use a vacuum to clean up any dust. There is currently no duct attached to this furnace, so it's easy to clean the outlet side. The assistance of a broom can also be used here to remove any dust on flat surfaces. Clean the inside of the duct around the heating element. Try to avoid touching that element as it's very delicate. Next is cleaning around where the blower motor was located. Typically I like to start with the highest point and work my way down. That way any dust falls to the lowest point. As for the blower motor, this is best to take it outside as this can get quite messy. An air compressor can be used to clean a majority of the dust out. Typically it'll fall out. The blowing feature on a vacuum can also work if you have that feature. A low profile brush can be used on other areas, in this case a toothbrush for me. Make sure you clean all the fins on the fan. Moving the fan in another orientation, I can gain access to other sides of the fin. Then is cleaning the assembly around the fan, removing the dust stuck to the inside walls. And finally is cleaning the electric motor. Using compressed air I find is the easiest method. You'll need to work in different angles to get rid of all the dust, making sure no corners or edges are missed. When done, we can finally reassemble the furnace. The blower motor is slid back into place. Then install the fasteners. Reroute the wiring through the hole and then connect them in their appropriate places. Using cable ties, the wiring is fastened back into place. Make sure it doesn't become tangled in the motor and is neatly out of the way. Finally, the inspection panel can be put back into place. And one final look, you can see everything is now clean. After that, you can go ahead and turn the breaker back on. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more home DIY videos. Thank you for watching.